Hello everyone, welcome back. Imagine if someone is trapped in a fire or a burning house. What should a person does to escape from high flames? Now let's see what Abhay did in a similar situation. Now let's read the lesson, The Burning Trail. Trail means series of fire as it spreads very fast. The firemen were having a difficult time fighting the fire on the other side of the mountain. Gusts of wind blew on the fire and flames raced through the dry grass. Trees burst into flames. The faces of the firemen were black from the smoke and soot in the air. Soot means black powder composed mainly of carbon produced when coal, wood, etc. is burned. So their faces were covered with soot. Their eyes stung from the smoke. Their faces were wet with sweat. Sometimes flames seemed to jump right at them. As the firemen sprayed water onto the flames, more flames sprang up from elsewhere. But at last, they began to feel as if they had the fire under control. But then immediately, the hot north wind blew across the dam and fanned the flames into new raging life. Tree after tree went up in flames. New fires sprang up everywhere. The heat was unbearable. The change in the direction of the wind made things difficult for the firemen. The change had come so quickly that the firemen had to run for their trucks and head for the water reservoir to get away from the flames. They stopped beside the water reservoir, thinking they would be safe. But a wall of fire had cut them off from the road that ran along the valley. The fire was spreading up the mountains. Bits of burning leaves and twigs of trees were carried by the raging wind. Where the burning leaves and twigs fell, they started new fires. The raging wind drove the fire along the valley towards the houses. Abhay was outside his house when the wind changed. He felt the hot raging wind blowing on his face. He knew the fire would move fast. He could not wait for his father to come home. There was no time. He needed to get his mother and his sister Kashvi to move to a safe place immediately. Abhay rushed into the house and yelled,
Mom! Kashvi! The wind's changed! The fire is coming! We need to get out of here now! I will start the car. Get in the car.
The hot wind blew in Abhay's face as he ran to the car. Abhay climbed into the car and started it. His mother and Kashvi came running out of the house. His mother called out,
Oh, what about old Mrs. Kumar? We must pick her up, Abhay.
Get in the car. Hurry! We will pick up Mrs. Kumar. Her house is along the way.
Mrs. Kumar's house was beside a dirt track. The track was on the other side of the winding valley road. Abhay turned the car onto the bumpy track. The smoke was getting thicker. Abhay's eyes were stinging. How far away was the fire? Would there be time to pick up Mrs. Kumar and get away before the fire caught up with them? Abhay told himself.
There has to be time, Abhay. There has to be time. You have to save everyone, Abhay. There has to be time. Come on, come on.
Then he stopped his car in front of Mrs. Kumar's house. The wind hit him as he got out of the car. It was so hot that he had to turn his face away from it as he ran to the house. The front door was shut. Abhay pulled it open.
Mrs. Kumar! Are you there, Mrs. Kumar?
The smell of smoke and the roar of the wind seemed to fill the house. Abhay's eyes started to water as he walked in. Then he saw Mrs. Kumar lying on the floor.
Mrs. Kumar? Mrs. Kumar, are you all right?
Mrs. Kumar did not move. Abhay grabbed her arm and dragged her through the doorway. Abhay's mother and Kashvi were running towards him. Together, they carried Mrs. Kumar to the car and laid her on the back seat. As they set off along the dirt track, there was a great roar behind them. The trees behind Mrs. Kumar's house had burst into flames.
The house will burn out any second. Hurry, Abhay. We've got to get out of here.
Cried Kashvi. Abhay drove as fast as he could. The smoke was thicker now, and Abhay could hardly see the trees beside the track.
Ah, my eyes. Drive on, Abhay. Drive on. You have to save everyone, Abhay. Come on, drive on, Abhay. Drive on.
They came to the winding valley road that led out of the mountains. Soon, the road turned away from the mountain. They came to the highway. The smoke was not so thick then. The fire trucks and police were on the highway. The police had set up a roadblock. Abhay drove to the town and stopped outside the hospital. Mrs. Kumar was taken inside the hospital on a stretcher. A doctor told them,
She will be all right soon.
in this way, Abhay saved Mrs. Kumar and his family. So, dear children, we should take quick decision at the time of an emergency. I hope you have also learnt a lesson that in the time of any mishappening or an emergency, try to take quick decision and help others. Thank you for watching the video. Take care. Bye.